And as you can see, today I am joining you from my bathroom because I am going to share with you guys a few items that I picked up for my 2021 bathroom revamp. So, because I have been on quarantine in my home for almost a year, I decided that I needed some new bathroom decor. I cannot look at the one I have anymore. There's nothing wrong with it. I loved it when I bought it. I love it now, but I need a revamp. So, starting with this shower curtain, I bought this from CB2. They actually still have it online, and it's actually one of my favorite shower curtains I've ever owned. And I wanted something a little bit different as far as when I do decide to change up my bathroom, which will be in a couple of weeks, and I'm definitely going to share with you guys the finished product. But I wanted a more vibrant bathroom. I wanted it more colorful. So of course I decided, okay, who can I go with brand wise, or where can I look for some cool bathroom decor? And I decided that I was gonna go with no other than Missoni Home. So I've been eyeing the Missoni Home bathrobe for a couple of weeks now after seeing it on a few people on Instagram, and I decided that I absolutely needed it. And if I'm not mistaken, I think I got it for Christmas from my sister. I just don't know what color. So because of that, I decided that why not match my bathrobe with my bathroom. Duh. So, I wasn't going to buy anything regular price, of course, because upon looking online, I realized that the Missoni Home bathroom pieces were a little bit pricey, and it wasn't in the price range that I wanted to spend to revamp my bathroom. But of course, my sister told me about Rue La La, and she shared with me all of my Missoni Home finds on there for pretty much almost half off. So I'm going to share with you today what I found and how I'm going to incorporate actually Missoni Home with restoration hardware in my bathroom. So first, we're going to start with my shower curtain. So finding a shower curtain was very, very hard for me. I'm very picky when it comes to shower curtains. Like I said, I found this one at CB2. It was a very minimalist shower curtain. Love the pattern. I love the color scheme of it. And I wanted something still that was, just had a little bit of texture to it, but it wasn't too loud. Like, I can accessorize my bathroom if I want to add some vibrancy to it. So I actually decided to go with a restoration hardware diamond matelasse. I'm sorry if I am pronouncing it wrong. Shower curtain. So this I actually because they do not have like any color that I want in my bathroom shower curtain to be on the restoration hardware site, I decided that I was going to go one step further and search eBay for brand new shower curtains from restoration hardware. And lo and behold, I found this one brand new, and I believe this one retailed for $72 online on the restoration hardware site. I was able to score this for $44. And if you can see, it is a textured dark purple shower curtain, and I cannot wait to put this up. I did not have to get any shower curtain rings, only because I still have my shower curtain rings from CB2 that are silver, so there was no need for me to buy any new shower curtains. I was going to add the vibrancy by adding some Missoni Home pieces to my bathroom. So of course, starting out with this package here, which is the Missoni Home towel, bath towel, and hand towels. Okay guys, so I am kind of a towel snob, okay? I currently use bath towels and face rags and hand towels from Restoration Hardware. Now, if there's anything that I'm going to tell you on this YouTube channel, take my advice to and purchase is some Restoration Hardware towels. You will thank me. They are the best towels that you will ever buy. I was able to score my Restoration Hardware towels actually at the outlet when they had a location in Long Island, and they were 50% off, and then you were able to get an additional 50% off. So I believe I paid like $15 for my Restoration Hardware towels. If I'm not mistaken, they're about $60, $70, $80, $90. But don't quote me. But if you are looking for some really good quality towels, go to Restoration Hardware. Like, even when I went to CB2 and I was looking for some new towels, quality does not match up. The only towels that matched up to my Restoration Hardware towels is Nate Berkus for Target towels. Okay, his towels are amazing, but other than that, it's no comparison with the Restoration Hardware ones. So of course, when I received this package from Missoni Home, I was a little bit disappointed because for this set, the two pieces for the hand towel and the bath towel, I believe I paid $76.99, and I'm sorry, the quality did not add up. So I definitely, I understand it is for decorative purposes, but the quality just was not there. So this is the hand towel, and the pattern is the Lara two-piece towel set. So this is the hand towel. As you can see, you know, I went with this pattern because, you know, I have a little bit, my shower curtain is a dark purple. So I love the pattern, but I just don't think the quality is there. The quality is definitely not there. This is the back towel. It's very thin, and the quality is just, I mean, we'll see how it holds up. And I was reading a few reviews online, and they, I got mixed reviews, and that's why I was so adamant about not buying this regular price. So of course, this was from Rue La La, and I paid $76.99. So next I had to find a bath rug, bath mat, and I was able to, they call it bath mat. They call it the bath mat, and this is also in the Lara pattern, and this is a little bit thicker. I think the quality is a little bit better in the bath mat, but then again, like I said, in comparison to my Restoration Hardware mat that I have, is no comparison. Also, I believe, listen, for a bath mat that retails for $216, over $200, I like shouldn't receive it and there's a snag. I mean, I know I bought this from Rue La La, but come on, Missoni Home. So again, I love the color. The quality, I don't really know. I don't know if she's gonna last on me, but I love the pattern and I love the color. So hopefully she does not snag and rip all over the place. So next I needed, with my bathroom decor, I love candles. I love candles in my bathroom. I love to burn candles as I take a bath, meditate. And I really wanted to, I don't know if it's gonna be tacky or not, but whatever. I feel like when you do Missoni, like, you need to do Missoni. Everything has to, you know, just throw it all in there. So I decided that I wanted to find some Missoni Home candles. So when I did my Google search, I found some on Farfetch. So the Missoni Home candles that I found on Farfetch were $145, I believe, or $150. And I was like, I'm definitely not spending $150 for some candles that I don't even know how they smell. So I did a Google search, and I actually found the same candle on Mercari, brand new, for $22. So now, if you don't know what Mercari is it's an app where you can sell your items, and it's like Poshmark. So you can find anything on there. I typically go on there to find like home decor stuff or candles, things like that. So on Mercari, I was able to find a Missoni home candle. However, please keep in mind that these are things that other individuals are selling. So when I received it, and it came cracked. It was not advertised as cracked, but it came cracked. So I'm happy that I only paid $22 for it. But let me tell you something. This candle smells amazing, okay? And like I said, with Missoni Home, you just throw all those patterns in there. So I figured this will all blend in. And if I'm not mistaken, I think my robe, I don't really know. I think the robe that my sister bought me, I think it might be a similar pattern. So, you know, that's why I bought it. But at the same time, like I said, it's broken, so I can't even use it. So I'm kind of upset about that. And with Mercari, I definitely reported that it was broken and I wasn't able to get a refund. But they were able to give me credit, so I was like, okay, fine, let me see if they have any more candles on there. And I was able to find some Missoni candles. However, I was only able to find some Missoni home for Target for Missoni home candles. So I decided, like, okay, whatever, I'm just gonna purchase one of those, you know, it'll blend. So I actually got that in the mail, and listen, it'll blend. It doesn't smell as good as the $150 candle, and I actually like the pattern more on this one. I'll show you guys. So this is the Target one, and this is just the Missoni home candle. I really like this one. So I really think I might just spring for the candle on Farfetch, to be honest. Like this one, you know, I'll use it. I probably won't burn it, but it'll go with the decor. But if I really am just like, you know what, I'm just gonna spring for the $150 candle, I might just spring for the $150 candle. So I'm still looking for maybe some artwork or something to add to the wall in my bathroom. But for right now, these are the pieces that I'm gonna work off of. I still need a toothbrush holder and I actually also need a soap holder. And I actually am going to be on the search for the perfect towel rack. So stay tuned for my bathroom revamp, and I'll show you guys what else I pick up along the way. If you are interested in some Missoni home pieces, like I said before, I found mine on Rue La La. They might have some additional markdowns because of the holidays, but I was able to find it on Rue La La. Like I said, towels, if you really want to splurge on some really good towels, I would definitely check out Restoration Hardware. I am actually going to take a trip to Restoration Hardware to stock up on some more towels coming up soon, maybe to throw in here with my bathroom revamp, because I'm definitely not going to use those towels to, you know, to dry up. It's not big enough. So that's definitely going to be strictly for decor, and I you know, I'll put it up for people to wipe their hands after they use the bathroom and wash their hands, but it's definitely not going to be used when I take a bath. So definitely check out Restoration Hardware outlet for the towels, or you can check Restoration Hardware online because they may have some towels on sale. And if you're like, I don't really want to spend that money on some Restoration Hardware towels, like I said, you can find some really good towels from the Nate Burkus line in Target. Definitely up there with quality of great towels. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Stay tuned as I will be sharing the update on the bathroom decor and how it turned out. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe because we will definitely have more videos coming to you.